Go.
Recording. Sige, sige lang. Nabigyan ko siya ng steady time. Nakikita mo yung yung glow sa ilalim ng kamay ko?
Yeah, meron.
Parang orange glow.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Looks good?
Oo.
Okay, sige.
Problem is it won't work this way tomorrow morning because of the light.
It's okay. It's not tomorrow morning. Might be Thursday night. Sa gitna pa ako.
Yeah, do you want me to focus on that?
Sige, focus ka lang. Kung kaya mo. Kung magkakamali ka, huwag na. Fast forward ko naman ito pagkadating ng grabe. Daming editing nito. Kaya binababad ko siya kasi kailangan ko ng starting point pagka nag-edit ako.
Mauubos mo lahat ng SD card nito.
Nandiyan na yung and then, nandiyan na yung hard drive. Wala na ang problema. I have 5 minutes, right, per shot.
Ano ba to? Sample lang?
Actually, baka